Here's the most common mistake that guys do when it comes to wearing a suit. We're going to be talking about the one mistake that a lot of guys do when it comes to wearing your suit and to make sure that you don't do it. So, what a lot of guys do that you shouldn't be doing, it is when they try to wear their suit jacket with something other than their suit pant. We've all seen it. Every guy does it, especially now that we're getting more smart or a little bit more casual when it comes to work. A lot of guys think they can separate their suit and wear their jacket on its own with a pair of chinos or a pair of jeans or another pair of pants. That is a big no-no. You should never separate your suit from your pant. Why is that? It's because that they were made to go together. So the fabric of your pant and the fabric of your jacket are meant to go together. They're the same weave, the same fabric, the same dye line. So they're a pair. What happens when you separate the two together, and I've seen a lot of guys do that, especially if they're going out on a, Thursday night or Friday, they always put their suit jacket with a pair of chinos or a pair of jeans. The reason why that's a no-no is that it looks off. Number one is the suit jacket always cut a little bit longer. So when you're putting it with jeans or chino, it just looks like it's a little funny. It looks like it's orphaned by itself. Also, again, the fabric will never match your jeans or your chino. Or I've seen some guys try to put a navy suit jacket with another navy pant that they have, but it's always just that little bit off. And it doesn't make you guys look put together or smartly dressed. And also, the suit jacket is usually too formal to wear with your chinos or with your jeans. So, rule of thumb, never separate your suit jacket from your suit pant. The only time that you can is if it's a mill finished fabric. So a mill finished fabric is going to be something like a flannel or a linen, something that's got some texture to it. That's the only time that you could separate your suit jacket from your suit pant. Other than that, if you ever want to wear them separately, make sure you buy them as suit separate. So our GOTSTYLE 9 suit set that is coming in is more of a casual, softer jacket. So no shoulder pads. It's cut a little bit shorter and it's more of a softer mill finish fabric. So you can separate these two together. So you can wear them as a suit or wear them as separates. And anything that is more of a sport coat blazer, because again, it's going to be cut just that little bit shorter. So it's going to look like it can go with, and it will go with all the jeans and the chinos that you have in your closet. But never, ever separate your suit jacket from its matching pant. You can make this a little bit more casual by wearing it with a knit polo. But if you separate it, you're going to get one of those looks from people like me who are like, oh man, he's wearing a suit jacket with a pair of chinos. It looks off. It looks like your suit jacket is orphaned from its pant. And you don't want to have that because you always want to make sure you look smart and put together. So again, never do that. And another thing too is that you tend to wear out your suit jacket then before you wear your pant, and then you're going to be left with a pant that has no jacket. So don't leave your clothes orphaned. Wear them together. If you do want to wear your suit jacket separate from your pant and wear with another casual pant, look for suit separates. Look for a softer, unconstructed jacket and something that has a little bit more of a mill finish, like our GOTSTYLE 9 suit separates, which will be coming very soon. That's the only time that you can wear the two apart. Hey guys, if you like this video, don't forget, subscribe here.